Definitely gonna change out the kitchen sink, the bathroom sink, do something with the bathroom tub. But before we do all of that, like I said, we're gonna try to fix that leak, find out where it's coming from. So off to Harbor Freight. Yay.
So you get medium?
It look like that's all they got. I don't see small. Get some gloves.
That's it.
Oh yeah, that's perfect there.
All right, good.
You think we should get 2?
No?
No, just 1? Cool. Oh, there go the masks. We might need one of these masks when we start painting.
When you start painting?
Yeah. We gotta do the whole 9.
I don't need no mask.
Why you don't need no mask?
What?
Fumes, toxins.
I done been around paint so much in my life, I don't need no mask.
That's why you like that.
My granddaddy got me like that. Blame him.
I can't do that.
Well then.
Alright. Leaving Harbor Freight. We're getting the weight distribution. With the sway control kit. Back out of Lowe's for the second time today.
Bruh, can you believe we found rat driplets?
Rat driplets.
Over that way. Rat droppings, driplets, whatever you want to call it. We found it.
But y'all didn't even see those
during our inspection. You know how I turn and inspect the gadget.
those pellets. I didn't see those pellets.
Droplets.
During inspection. I mean, we did catch the big stuff, and you know, we got a decent price for it. Got some stuff knocked off, but if I would have seen them pellets, we would have got about another $300-400 knocked off. So that's some of the stuff we took out.
Hey yo, they took a Shabuski in our RV.
Before us.
I'm the only nigga that's Shabuski in there.
Then we got this to put in the RV, Tomcat mouse killer. We just left AutoZone. We had to pick up a battery. That was $130. So we got it on.
It was $130 because we ain't had a code. So once we get the code back, we get our $18
Yeah,
back.
we get $18 back, which makes it, I think, $109.
Put a bag at.
I offered him Covers and he was trying to be cute. I hungry.
I was in work mode. I was ready to work.
I hungry.
But it's after 5 o'clock.
So I said, all right. I'm finna eat.
A dude gotta eat.
Take me to Covers. And then I watched Shark Tank. And I remember when the guy came up with the Scrub Daddy. So I want to grab this. Try it out. That's all the stuff that it can handle. Right there. But yeah, y'all, we about at $1,000 for the day, and we're not even decorating yet. Like only thing we did was remove remove the cabinet doors. We took some old cushions they had in there out.
They had rat bitings in it.
Like rats, they just tore it up. Rats, mice, whatever you want to call them. Like, we took that out, and then we bought this stuff that's in the back. We got the weight distribution. That was like $300.
Sway bar.
The sway bar, that was $30. We got our power tools and stuff that we need to do our renovations. That was about $300. The battery was $100. So we have spent over $1,000 today, and yeah.
Equipment.
Yeah, and equipment. So, yeah.
We almost bought a generator.
We almost bought a generator because we found a yard that allows us to work on the RV, which, if you haven't seen yet, It's in an actual pretty good location, but we can't move the slide out because the battery is dead. So we're gonna hook the battery up.
No power.
To see if we could move the slide out so we can get to the bathroom, because that's what I want to do today, gut the bathroom out. That was the real job for today. So since we couldn't get to the bathroom because of the slide, we ended up just doing what we could do, which was remove all of the cabinets. So yeah,
slowly but surely we're gonna get there.
Yeah,
y'all be with us. May God be with us.
Alright guys, so this part of the journey, as you can see, we have removed all of the cabinets, the drawers, the mirrors from the room, like everything. We are at a storage unit because HOA, of course, would not allow you to work on RVs in the community, which is understandable. So here we are. They allowed us to do it here. As you can see, we are having trouble with the plumbing because it was, of course, rigged. If you notice the floors, all the floors look pretty damp, as though there was a leak that had been happening over time. But we are still trying to, I guess, bypass the fact that we can't get out of. So we just kept going, honestly. The PEX pipes were completely destroyed, chewed through. At this point, we're deciding to just continue to renovate. We are removing everything because it seems like the more we took out, the more we found. So you'll just see we just take everything out, including the tub eventually. So yeah.
oh, the red one leaking too. I tried to take them out. See rusted screws. Definitely check for water damage. We got a lot of rusted screws. I see why everybody take the bathroom out. Man, why the hell you doing all that?
That's why.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get that
Water break.
we gutted the bathroom out. It ain't even that hard. Like, you buy these used RVs, just gut it out. Like, it's literally Lego pipes in there. Like a
Yeah, what she said.
Lego pipes. This is all the stuff we took out.
And that's garbage.
Trash. Oh, I need that for measurement for the cabinet. We'll keep this little one right here just for measurement.
And inside.
I'm gonna measure with my phone.
Oh.
And that's the wood we're gonna need to get cut. And we took out some of the flooring too. Had pretty good flooring for it to be well, it is an 08. Ain't that old.
Hey, what this is? 22?
Yeah.
About 12 years old, eh?
Yeah, it ain't that old. Yeah, I think we done for today.
I'm tired, boss.
He about to pass out.
How the hell?
Then he half-ass painting everything, done wasted a whole can of primer.
Nah, bro, don't even do that.
I had to go back. That shit was making me some. I was trying to keep the peace.
Don't even do that.
You know how you try to keep the peace?
Nah, don't even do that.
And you don't want to start nothing? He half-ass painted.
I did it the manly way.
And used all the paint.
Bro, I did it the manly
You
way.
know I was mad.
No.
And that primer was $30. Let me show y'all the primer we used.
Bro, some water.
That's the gone. It's gone. Shit gone. Okay.
I painted the bedroom.
I had to go through
I painted the bedroom.
look at the side. Look at the side of the door. He just skipping spots.
That ain't my doing.
Just jumping around. Jumping around. Look at this. Look at this. Jumping around.
I painted the bathroom only for her to tell me to take everything out.
Ain't nobody
What's
tell
the
you
man supposed to
Okay,
do?
so if you would have took your time and painted this stuff over here, you ain't even look. You ain't even paint all the room. Now we gotta get a whole nother can of primer.
We'll get a smaller one. Be cheap.
And that shit'll run out faster.
No, because I'll let you paint.
I'm cute.
At this point, as I start to look around, the excitement of getting an RV slowly, I'm really trying to keep the hope here, but I'm just noticing things like the water stains, as you can see along the slides. Again, at this point, I really feel as though we were in deep denial. Just the whole situation, I felt like we just could not go back and just call it quits. So we kept going. Like even there, you can see the water stains from the slides. Just from the slides not having those slide coverings over top, and it just kind of came through along with probably a lot of other problems that this RV had. So at this point, we just felt like we were in too deep, and we kept going. So not only that, we have a rat. There's a whole live rat in there.
And put some of that sanitizer in here.
Yeah, we can do that with the sun,
That way it's just sitting while we working on it.
Yeah, but these windows, the water can't get in there.
Huh?
And we got to do something about that thing in the bathroom. I close that vent. Still see daylight.
Oh, recaulk it.
Yeah.
Jeez. All right, y'all. I had to pick up these masks. Hopefully it's working. It seems like it's working. I don't get that heat from when I'm breathing that primer anymore, but it's the 3M Cool Flow respirator masks. Pro 5 count. But take my ring off. I'm tired. They make it look so easy on them YouTube videos. I think we got most of the hard part out the way though.
You too. Hey, send your boy some water, some ice cold water. My water is gone. I need some water. Preferably with a little piece of that good old lemon. Oh yeah, give me some of that. Carry on.
Yeah, we got here at 12. It's 3:03 now. Just not leaving. We are tired.
Tired ain't the word. I'm tired.
But if you get a used RV, we highly encourage you, just gut that bathroom out. It's not as scary as it looks. What that dumpster was at? It's not as scary as it looks. And we found so much rat poop. We don't know if he's still in there or not. But he can't be. We done gutted out everything. Well, it's one more little slot we need to cut out once we get the toilet out.
Unless he's in that silver stuff up under the kitchen cabinet.
He And
But
I
we're gonna
sprayed
replace
that out.
that.
Yeah, we're gonna tear all that out. I think that ventilates
We'll do
the.
another dump.
I think that ventilates the oven.
I don't know, but hey, make sure y'all do y'all proper pre-trip inspections or whatever, pre-inspection before purchasing the used RV for one.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you don't know what you're looking for, you could end up buying.
Oh, they back out there working too.
Oh yeah, that was the one thing. You could end up buying an RV that has way more damage than what we purchased.
We got one spot of water damage that we've seen so far, which is in that bathroom area, which looked like they kind of ate through the pipes. Maybe they was looking for water or something. But it basically chewed the blue pipe, and then when we looked further up under the tub,
Yeah.
they chewed through the red pipe.
No. The sink.
The sink. So even if we would have replaced that blue pipe, if we wouldn't have tore that out, we would have put the water on, and it would have caused more damage. So we're just gonna redo it ourselves at the dumpster. That's everything that we took out of the bathroom. We need one of them slushies. You deserve that.
Yeah, but I need some water though.
That too.
I
I said, no. Look at the little cute dumpster. It's so cute.
Hey, you see me doing the second one? You got that wood that we needed?
Yeah. Nah, we keeping the counter. We might be able to reuse that.
This?
Yeah. No, we throwing away the sink eventually. We might leave it on there because you got to ask her. But we keeping the counter.
Get that little piece of wood.
Oh, this 30. Hell yeah. We got rat trap set down, rat food set down. Which one of them gone?
You said what?
That's weird. Yeah,
I think you just misplaced it.
that could be the case.
There ain't no way a whole rat trap just should have come up missing.
He probably was hungry and he just, they drag it out the site. So
Oh, okay.
I put it inside, so maybe he want to eat in privacy. You get that good crab bag and you ain't trying to eat it at the restaurant, so you take it to go.
Oh, some people just don't give a darn. They'll cut up in the restaurant.
Yeah,
I done seen it.
You.
Oh, I'm cutting up. I'm one of them.
Me, I save half so I can get nasty at the house.
Yeah, when you get done getting nasty with that bag, be nasty with me.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
And here's 2 straws, sir.
Thank you.
Have a blessed day, guys.
You
You
too.
too.
Oh, man.
You know what? It's different. That's why it was so much. This is what we got yesterday. Smell good.
I'm awful sweet.